Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series, Student Resource Pack, English Grade 2. Academic Planner, Unit 2. Number of SLOs 29. Build your skills. Worksheet number 15. Comprehension. Read the passage and answer the following questions. New house. Okay, so the answer of the first question is storeroom. The answer of the second question is sofa. The answer of the third question is winter. Answer of the fourth question is played in the storeroom. Worksheet number 16. Read the passage and answer the following questions. The library. Answer of the first question is librarian is the person we can ask for help while visiting the library. Second answer is the librarian can always help you find exactly what you are looking for. Answer of the third question is that library is the best place to go. There are many comfy chairs that you can sit in and read your favorite book. The answer of the fourth question is when you want help with some homework or just learn something new, the library is the best place to visit. Worksheet number 17. Read the passage and answer the following questions. The big race. First answer. Red and blue racing cars were the very best friends. Answer 2. Because they were stressed out about the big race next day. That's why they couldn't sleep. Third answer. They took some deep breaths in and out. Hold it in for 3 seconds and then let it out. And they relaxed. Answer of the fourth question. They dreamt of winning the big race next day. Worksheet number 18. Creative writing. Write a paragraph on the topic My Country. Pakistan is my country. I love my country. My country is among the most beautiful countries of the world. It came into existence on 14th of August 1947. It has 5 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Gilgit-Baltistan. My country is founded by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The idea of my country was presented by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. We should love our country and try to keep it very clean. Worksheet number 19. Write a paragraph on the topic My Parents. Parents are great blessing of Allah Almighty. My parents are very nice and wise. They love me and they not only take care of me but also thinking about my future as well. My father takes me to the mosque to offer my prayer And my mother always wakes me up early in the morning to prepare me for the school. Parents take special care about my studies, but my father always likes me to play as well because he wants me to be physically healthy as well. I love my parents a lot and always pray for them. God bless my parents. Worksheet number 20. Write a dialogue between two friends on the topic My Hobbies. Umar, Assalamu alaikum. Ali, Wa alaikum assalam. Umar, Ali, do you have some hobby? Ali, yes, I have. I like gardening. It's a very interesting hobby. Umar, oh, nice. Do you have a garden in your home? Ali, no, I don't have a garden, but I have pots in which I grow beautiful flower plants. Umar, how do you take care of them? Ali, I water them every day and provide them with shade and sunlight when they need it.